Welcome back. Today I'm taking y'all to our Pessons at Grau Roig. The drive to Grau Roig is very pleasant as we drive through a few nice ski resorts. Andorra has excellent road condition, and as we drive through these little towns, we also enjoy the beautiful views of the mountain ranges. We drive through Canillo, Sodero, then at the roundabout, take the Grau Roig exit. Otherwise, we'll be going to France. Grau Roig is a big ski area in winter, and it has many hiking routes in summer. There is a big and spacious parking right at the feet of the slopes. Very convenient. Our Pessons site takes us up to almost 600 meters from the car park. It's a very beautiful hike with open interconnected lakes, one lake after another as we hike up all the way to the last lake, which is the end of the mountain range. It's about 2,700 meters above sea level when we are at the last lake looking up the ridge. The hike starts at the bottom where all the ski lifts are. We go up to the left instead of the right where cars go up by the gravel road. Keep going straight up until you see the sign on the right, which takes us into the woods. Follow the yellow dot on a steep path up, and 20 minutes later, we get to the first lake and the restaurant. Once at the first lake, we follow the white and red sign, hiking on a flat terrain, crossing over a few streams until we start to ascend, climbing over a few boulders, and we arrive to the second lake, then the third, and so on and so forth until we get to the last lake, the eighth lake. hike over big and small boulders, rocks, roots, and stream. As y'all already know that I love hikes with different elements. This area is the heart of the largest granite we can find in Andorra. Remember to always keep going right after the first lake. Find the white and red indicator along the route. It takes about 3 hours up and 2 hours going down, no rush. Plus time to soak in the amazingly beautiful views of the mountain ranges and landscapes. Time to have a mini picnic once we arrive to the top. Also a dip into the freezing glacial lake. Altogether, this hike takes around 6 to 7 hours. But as I always say in all my hiking videos, it all depends on your pace. In this video, we have a few clips from the hike we did back in May, when there was still lots of snow. It was cloudy, cold, and the trail was muddy, though there were fields of beautiful spring flowers. It's nicer in August when there's blue sky, no snow, and we can fully enjoy the views looking up or down. The landscapes vary and the weather can change with little notice, so we are well equipped with any changes during the hike. We always have waterproof boots on as this hiking trail is full of streams. take the Cercle dels Pessons route going down, meaning we descend on the shoulder of the trail parallel to the trail going up, but on the other side of the valley. This takes us down a less rocky trail and we will see more lakes. The end of this trail is the ski slope and the restaurant of the first lake. Have a beer or two before heading home. This is a very popular restaurant, not only during the summer but also during the ski season as well. A good place to relax after a long hike. Hope you all enjoyed the hike, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.